Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lemon drizzle. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place all of your butter and your granulated sugar and beat them together until they are lighter and fluffy in colour and consistency. Around 5 to 7 minutes should be perfect. You can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. You can then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can now go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first just to remove any lumps that may have built up in the mixture, as sometimes dry mixtures can be a little bit lumpy. Once you've got all of your dry ingredients in the bowl, you can then incorporate this over a low to medium speed, working your way up to a medium high speed, adding a little bit of milk if needed just to help with a perfect consistency. You can then go ahead and grab your loaf tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper, and pour in all of your cake batter. Just spread it and level it out until you've got a pretty consistent level or layer. You can then go ahead and bake this off. All of the baking times, temperatures and everything else you need to know will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. While your cake is in the oven, you can make the lemon drizzle, which will go over. So into a bowl, add your lemon juice and your sugar and just whisk them together until they're fully combined. Do this just a couple of minutes before it's due out of the oven. Once it's fresh out of the oven, you'll then want to start to brush over the lemon drizzle. You can use as much or as little as you like, but the more you use, the better it will taste. This is completely optional, but feel free to do it. I make a simple glaze, which is just ice and sugar and water, whisked together until it's a pipeable, spreadable consistency. You'll know what I mean. Then you can just drizzle over your cooled down lemon loaf. It's again completely optional, but I like to do it. So here is the finished lemon drizzle loaf. It looks very simple, I know, but trust me, it's all on flavour. On this one, it's a classic. I make it so often, and people love it whenever it's made. So why not make it for yourself and share it with those you want to share it with? So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. And I'll be back again soon with another recipe. So join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all of my social media. So don't forget to go and follow me over on them, as I am trying to be a bit more active. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.